Hello friends, today is Well, today is quite dreary and raining here in the Pacific Northwest, as it is likely to be, though usually not this late in spring. So we are going to be doing an install video. We're going to install the Meso Customs Total Taillight Kit, which comes in this really nice little box setup here. What this does is it makes it so my taillights, which now I have stock, the blinker is, I think, the bottom part of the C, the brake is the top part of the C, and then your reverse light are your reverse light. What this does is make it so the whole letter C is your brake light, your blinker is down here in the backup light, and then it does both. It does white for backup and it does orange for blinker. It's also all LED, which is going to make it a lot brighter, which is something I'm wanting to do because I have found that the standard lights are kind of dim, a little bit too dim for my liking during the day, especially on days like this when it's dreary and you want to have people be able to see you, but it's not necessarily dark. So that's what we're going to do today. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so let's do a little bit of an unboxing here because this box is it's actually really nice. You gotta slide the thing out of the thing here though. So here we have all of our LEDs. These are our 4 brake lights, and then our orange / white backup lights that are in these ones here. And then all that's left in the box is our harnesses, which are quite nice. They're connected together with this. I think I have to disconnect that. I'm not sure how. Let's take a look. There we go. All spread out. And you see, this is where you plug your ports in. And then this goes to your tail right there. You'll only need one tool for this, and your choice of socket or wrench, but just a good old 10mm. Okay, so you're really going to need to take out 2 bolts. I've already removed them. It's the second one down, right there, you can see, and then the bottom one. And then they just look like this. Set those aside, and you just grab on your tail light and gently pull. There's 2 little. Got it off center there, that's why I went squirrely. You have this little knob here and this little knob here, and that's what gives you all your stuff. So then you just twist these and take out the bolts. Now I actually already put LED in my backup light here, which I will be taking out. It has some, it's very bright. It's bright in my headlights sometimes. But I'm going to go ahead and clean these up, and then we'll go do the installation. Okay, so I got everything cleaned up here, and mainly it's just because I have a lot of dust and debris gets in the back section in here. Make sure if you do clean out your taillights that you do not get any water in these holes, because it will not come back out. That's actually a problem I had with my other taillight when I whacked my kayak into it. Alright, so this is pretty straightforward, it's just matching up like for like. Okay, a bit of a screw up here. I didn't see that the light sockets were separate from the rest of the wiring. I've seen kits like this where the wires plug directly into the light sockets. It is not the case here, and you will need to separate the two, as I eventually figure out. Okay, so what you're going to do now is, here you have your plug-in, and here you have your socket. These actually disconnect from each other. May not be intuitive. There we go. So you see, this is the part that you're getting rid of. This part's not, of course the bulb isn't either, so I'm just going to throw that back in the box. And I see we have this triangle plug, and then go to the other triangle, not that one. Triangle plug, triangle plug. Oh, that's right. Triangle plug, triangle plug. And then we will do the same here. Push down on that tab, pull that out. And this is the other side. There it is. Okay, two. And then we pull out this one.
So the reverse light socket was a real pain to remove. I suggest using a set of needle nose pliers. That's what worked on the other side, and it was far easier than the fighting with it that I did here.
All right, so I got it out. Seems the secret is to put it back in the slot and push that top tab and yank, because that one is tight. But now it's not a problem anymore.
Contrary to what I said earlier, you will need the sockets that the two upper light bulbs were plugged into. The one you don't need is the one for the reverse light. The all-in-one orange-white LED replaces the whole assemblage there.
All right, so let's go ahead and plug our brake lights into here. In the old sockets. Whoa, that was bad. Okay, that's what it looks like. Put it in there. There it is. Second one here. And then this just pops in as is. It doesn't need the socket. And then we just plug everything across. Making sure to do it backwards at least once. There it is. There's the connection I was looking for. Okay, so there's our bottom one. It's got a knob. So you theoretically can't plug it in wrong, but that's me. Okay, that's there. I got this kind of a convoluted mess here. No, I think it's right. Whatever, it's fine. It's all fine. We're all fine here. How are you? All right, we have 3 plugged in. Let's go ahead and jam all this wiring back in this hole. And we'll go ahead and just pop the ones that come off. Okay, so that's installed. You've seen all the mistakes you can make because I made them all. Let's go ahead and do some light comparisons. All right, I'm gonna go hop in the truck. I'll do my brakes and my blinkers and my hazards, I guess. Sure. That one's a new one, this is the old one. And I know a lot of these light tests don't really work out very well on video. I'm gonna turn off as many lights around here as I can. And it is raining and it is poking the garage, we'll see.
Okay, there you see unlocking the door. Now the brakes are engaged, full C on one side, half on the other. Starting the engine for no reason. Blinkers, other blinker, reverse lights, and warning flashers are going to be here in a second. There they are.
Okay, one thing I forgot to do was the running lights. So let me go turn off the wipers here and I'll turn on the light lights. Black. Oh yeah, well, they're the same. And those are LED. But for regular, it's like regular tail lights. I mean, these ones, the LED ones are brighter. And I do like that, so. All right. Okay, well now that we have this one fully installed, except we're gonna put these bolts back. We're gonna go ahead and see how fast I can do it. I mean, that's how slow it can be done, right? Because the first one's always gonna be the slow one. All right, ready? On my mark, get set, go. Remember, second one down. Bottom one, okay. You pull from the center, they pop from the center.
So again, that bottom socket is just a complete pain in the ass to remove. So this is when I give up on it and just go get some needle nose pliers.
In those pliers. You always have to do that too. There we go. Replace this bulb. This. This bulb. LED on mine, the backup light. It's funny because that's the only light I switched out.
So we were right at 4 minutes and 50 seconds, even with running to get the pliers, when suddenly, and that's when my camera decided to take a crap on me. To be honest, I don't put as much effort into the install videos as I do with the adventure videos. For one, they are not as much fun, and for two, I feel like the more raw install videos are more helpful because you can see where I make mistakes. Anyway, I'll leave you with the final testing here. I can say the lights are much brighter in real life, and I'm quite happy with them, having been running them for a week now. So thank you for watching this hot mess. Like, subscribe, comment, and most importantly, go look at my adventure videos because I feel like they are way better than this one. You might like them. Bye-bye.